This is a robot vacuum cleaner. This is a chatbot. This is a person who doesn't exist. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. In the last few years, AI has moved from science fiction to our daily lives. From talking with machines like ChatGPT to creating ultra-realistic videos with deepfake technology, AI is reshaping our world in ways we never imagined. What is artificial intelligence? Think of a brain made of circuits and wires connecting to the internet. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines to learn, think, and make decisions like humans, or sometimes even better. It powers voice assistants, self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, and much more. Today, we'll explore two amazing examples of AI, ChatGPT and deepfake. These technologies are changing our world in big ways, but also come with serious challenges. Let's start with ChatGPT. Imagine having a smart friend who can help you with homework, give you ideas for creative projects, and make everyday tasks faster and easier. That's what ChatGPT is like. It's a computer program that can understand and generate human-like text. For example, when you ask it a question, it reads through tons of information stored inside its digital brain to find the best answer. Then it writes that answer in a way that makes sense and flows naturally, just like a real conversation. It's like having a super smart friend who knows almost everything and can explain anything in a clear and simple way. And the best part is that it's available to everyone for free. How does ChatGPT work? Well, it's been trained on massive amounts of text data. That means it's learned patterns in language and knows how to use words to create meaningful sentences. When you ask it a question, it uses what it's learned to generate an answer. It's like teaching a dog a trick. At first, the dog doesn't know what you want, but with enough repetition and rewards, it learns to perform the trick perfectly. Similarly, ChatGPT has been rewarded for generating good answers, so it's really good at understanding and responding to your requests. Let me show you some examples. Here I asked ChatGPT to write an article about climate change in seconds. And here it is, all written by ChatGPT. It's crazy how fast it works. Or how about this one? I asked it to help me translate a language. Wow! It even added cultural notes. It's not perfect, but it's pretty close to what a real translator would do. Now let's talk about deepfake. Imagine having a magic wand that lets you change anything in a video or photo. With deepfake, you can make someone say something they never said or put them in a place they've never been. It's like editing a video, but on steroids. It's super powerful and can create some really convincing results. But how does it work? Well, it uses something called a deep learning neural network to learn from tons of data. It looks at lots of images and videos of a person and creates a model of their face and how it moves. Then it uses that model to change or add things to a video without having to record anything new. It can be used for all sorts of things, like in the film industry for special effects, or in education to bring history to life by reconstructing old photos or videos. But it also has some negative uses, like creating fake news or putting people in dangerous situations. Let me show you an example. Here's a before picture and after using deepfake. Can you spot the difference? The text says the same, but the way it looks and sounds is completely different. And now get this, imagine putting these two together. Think about a world where you can create a fully AI-generated presenter that looks and sounds like a real person. They could deliver the news, teach lessons, or even star in movies. It's like having a digital version of yourself that can do anything. So whether it's a chatbot that writes your essays or a video of your worst enemy dancing in a compromising situation, AI is changing the game. But with great power comes great responsibility. On one hand, AI offers huge benefits, efficiency, creativity, and automation. On the other hand, There are serious risks, misinformation spreading faster than ever, privacy violations, and job displacement in some industries. As we move forward, it's up to us to make sure AI is used for good. That means supporting responsible development, pushing for strict regulations, and spreading awareness about the potential dangers. The future of AI is in our hands. Let's make sure it's a future we can all believe in. Here are some kids learning to code, some developers working on computers. They're the next generation of AI experts. Who knows what they'll create? Remember, AI isn't good or evil. It's a tool. The choice, as always, is ours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI. See you next time.